How to use ChatGPT for workout planning. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To use ChatGPT for workout planning, what you can do is you can proceed to open up ChatGPT first and then head over to start a new chat. Now what you want to do is you want to give it a prompt. You want to provide detailed personal context, assign a professional persona, and iterate on the results rather than accepting a generic first response. Now, while it cannot replace a human medical professional, it removes the friction and decision fatigue of designing structures. So do not ask for a generic plan. Force ChatGPT to act as a qualified professional and prompt it to interview you before writing any exercises. So what you want to do is you want to give it a prompt such as act as an elite personal trainer with a PhD in kinesiology. I want you to build a hyper-personalized workout written for me, and such prompts. You want to give it specific prompts and you want to supply comprehensive text, that is your biometrics, age, gender, current weight, height, target body, schedule, logistics, physical limitations, and all the other prompt you want to give it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.